Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this here backup power supply. It weighs 30.74 pounds at 5 cents a pound. That's $1.54 for this as is. It's heavy, and that's what we will be taking apart. And we'll see what we can get out of it and see what's all the goodies are in it and wire up and see what we get. So stay tuned and let's get it done. As you've seen, this here was fairly heavy. I know there are some batteries in here, so we will try to get them out. It's got batteries in it, but they're not wanting to come out. So we'll try to get this cover off and see what we got going on here. I got that metal shred off there. Set that aside. Really neat board in here. Big copper toroid. Got that there. That's copper. These batteries. The battery's not wanting to come out of here, so we'll see if we can get them out though, huh? Upside down. I mean, that board's neat, I think, but got here. More screws. Put this cord in the way. Got all them out. Still not wanting to come out there. Looks like I gotta lift it up. I'll fight with this. Once I get it apart, I'll be back. Okay, we're back, and I think I might got figured out. I gotta take all these boards off here to get this off. So instead of doing it off camera, I want to do it on camera so you can see the process of this. Those are electric metal. Got electric to the brain. But I'm surprised at these boards. I mean, I would never thought that a power supply backup box would have this neat of a board. Lots of transformers, all kinds of neat stuff in it. think we got it. And get them batteries out. Couple different batteries in there. Nice wire that's hooked up to them. Still got some pretty decent weight to it. Missing one, of course. Always that one. Always missing that one. There, we got that off. Pretty neat board. Surprised about that. Now we got this here to get off. One more over here. It's all coming apart now, isn't it? More metal shred. There, we got it coming. I got that big transformer off. And we still got a little board on here we need to get out. And there's some more metal shred. Just a low grade board. Plastic trash. We got all this here, all these outlets we can take apart. Let's cut them off. ahead and cut the cord. I just may have to skin that, because it doesn't look like it's that bad. I know I shouldn't have to, but we might just go ahead to get optimum money out of it. All this wire is pretty good and heavy cable. A lot of people just throw it in their wire and leave it at that, but I'm going to probably try to go further. We'll take one of these outlets apart so you can see, and the other ones I'll take apart off screen. I'll do it fairly quick. Always wear your safety glasses when doing something like this, because stuff flies. Make sure it's brass, non-magnetic. Find my file. That is brass, you can see there. And a couple nice pieces of brass. That's probably just regular steel shred there. We'll check it just in case. Plastic junk. We do have a couple pieces of brass here we can take off. Still shred. Same way with the ground screw. Let's get this apart. See if it's copper. Then I'll go through and get everything cleaned up. Oh, that's not good, is it? Here. Oh, socket here. There we go. I'll come back, I'll get this apart, and then we'll be back. Okay, we got them off, and now we're going to check to see if this is copper. Hopefully it is. And it's not. It's not copper. It's aluminum. That's a shame. It's aluminum. But oh well, you win some, you lose some. And we'll get this board and all these other wires cleaned up, because we still got some pretty good copper in here. Got some chunks of aluminum. I'm going to get this board cleaned up and come back and we'll see what we got. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, we are back, and as you can see, the shred at 15.40 pounds at 5 cents a pound is 77 cents of all of that shred on this here box. on the insulated copper wire at 30 cents a pound. We got 0.45 pounds. That is 14 cents for that insulated copper wire. I tried stripping it. It's splintered something bad, so I gave up. And these here batteries here, which they are puffed somewhat, that's why I couldn't get them out. But at 10.87 pounds at 15 cents a pound is $1.63 for those batteries. For the extruded aluminum at 40 cents a pound, 0.84 pounds, we get 34 cents for the extruded aluminum. For the brass at $1.80 a pound, we got 0.08 pounds. That is 14 cents for that brass. For the board, which is which we also have this one, low grade board at 50 cents a pound, 1.12 pounds, we get 56 cents for this low grade board. I'm going to call these low grade peripherals because I did clean them up, and there's some ICs and chips and other things on them. A little bit of gold in here showing. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to call these low grade peripherals at $2.35 a pound. Got 0.19 pounds. That's 46 cents for these low grade boards. Low peripheral boards. And for last but not least, for our copper, at $3 a pound, we got 0.64 pounds. That's $1.94 for this copper. This here was in those transformers that was on that board. That's a sheet of copper. And these here MOSFETs, I did clean them. And I have a way to clean them fairly quick, which I will have on a short here coming up one day. So I went ahead and cleaned them, and that's what we got. So the total for everything will be up here in the right hand corner once I get it all figured up. And hopefully this is a good video and everybody likes it, and find other interesting things to take apart. And we'll see you on the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow me, and always a thumbs up is good. And I appreciate you watching, and see you next time. So, bye. Hey, I just wanted to show you something here, scrapper people. As you can see, that is aluminum. But for the heck of it, I went ahead and cut it, and there's copper also in it. It's aluminum and copper mixed. So, the good thing I did that, or else I would have been losing out. So, you might want to always check, because possibly it's mixed. Just thought that I should show that. So, thanks for watching.